What's up, guys? Welcome back to another KJ Lifestyle video, and welcome back to another very sunny day here in Florida. Today we are out here once again with the Stinger. We are doing the front splitter. It's just a tiny little lip, nothing too crazy. I ordered 2 more previously, so this video was meant to be filmed a long time ago, but took a while to finally find the right one because the people on eBay were not advertising them the right way, but finally found one that fits. So we're out here, we got some ramps, trying to configure how we're going to get this thing up in the air a little bit to get the drill underneath to drill the holes. So no further ado, I'll show you guys the splitter. We might test fit it once again just to make sure that it fits. We can line up all of our holes, and then we're just going to throw this thing on there. Let's get right into it. Issue we were having before when we tried to put the other one on was these Rhino ramps are too tall for the Stinger. Before we even put them on the car, you could see that the front of the bumper was already hitting the ramps. So we have these little pieces of wood that might be able to help us either get it up on the ramp or just drive it up on the wood. So we came to the conclusion we're not going to use those Rhino ramps just because all we really need is a little bit just to get the drill underneath it. So we're going to stick with just the wood ramps, put the car up on it, and we should have plenty of space to work underneath. All right, so what I'm going to do is we have the splitter right here. As you can see, there are some spots where the holes are supposed to go. I don't know if it'll focus. There we go. There are some spots where the holes are supposed to go with the screws. So what I'm gonna do is actually put some double-sided tape on the outside right here where it's gonna stick onto the bumper, but do it in between the screw holes so we can first kind of fit it up there and then screw it in so you don't have to hold it. And then also after I finish putting on all the screws, I'm gonna put some more double-sided tape. This is what I got right here. I'm gonna put some more of this over the screw holes just in case if a screw falls out, it's not gonna fall on the ground and give me a flat tire. So I guess we're just gonna do another time lapse of me getting this all prepped up and put in the car. Alright.
Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow.
Guys, there we have it. We just installed the front splitter from, I think it's HDC Auto Depot, something like that. I'm gonna link it down below. Make sure you guys click on this link and not just go on eBay to buy one, just because the first 2 times they sent me the wrong one. It wasn't from the Auto Depot store, it was from 2 other ones. It was listed on eBay as guaranteed fit for a Kia Stinger, but we came out here, put them on, and they were both not right. But obviously this one is the right one, so make sure you click the link for this one. I think this one fits really good. It even has these little points that carry out through the OEM bumper. But yeah, just a little bit more aggressive up in the front, and I do also have some struts I'm not sure if I'm gonna put those on yet. I'm probably gonna rock it just like this for a little bit, and then that might be in a later video. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the little install of the front splitter for the Kia Stinger. Like I said, click the link down below to get the right one so you don't do the same thing I did. I have 2 other ones sitting in my apartment right now, so don't do that. Make sure you buy the right one the first time. This one was, I think, like $88, so still not that bad. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment box below, and as always, make sure you click that subscribe button. We just hit over 1,000 subscribers, so a huge thank you to all you guys. Let's hit our next goal of 2,500 and keep going on up from there. But just like that, this video is over. Remember to be kind, be happy, and be grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.
I bought a whip, I paint it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy.